guys, today we're working on patterns in a table and I have a story problem to help us. This story problem says Jasmine walks her dog Reggie every week. If she walks him 4 miles every week, how many miles would she walk for 5, 6, and 9 weeks? Justify your thinking, then select a chart that supports your work. Well, one of the things I notice is that my information tells me I walk 4 miles every week, so I want to notice that. And then I also notice they asked me for 5, 6, and 9 weeks. One of the things that we've been noticing in class is sometimes we're not starting at 1, and whenever we're not starting at 1, we need to have a strategy for that, and one of the strategies we've been working on this week is making a T-chart. So I noticed that I'm going to be counting by 4s, and I also noticed that they asked me to go all the way to 9 weeks. So in my chart over here, I notice I have 2 pieces of information. My first is this piece, 4. Okay, so this is going to be my weeks. And over here, I'm going to have how many miles. And so I'm going to put, I like to put 4 dots over here to help myself. And then I notice I can stop at 9 because that's my greatest amount of weeks. And then I'm going to start counting at 1 to help myself. Okay, and then I'll fill up my chart. And a lot of my multiplication facts I already know, but if I get stuck, my chart can help me. So I can say, I'm going to use a different pen to show it. So I know that 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. Oh man, 4 times 4, I'm getting stuck on that. I can count 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 times 4 is 16. So all of this is times 4 right here. 5 times 4 is 20, I know that one. I know 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, I'm getting stuck again. For 7 times 4, I can go back up. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 8 times 4 is 32, and then I can finish it out. 9 times 4 is 36. So then I have to go back to my story problem and see what do I need to look for. Well, they asked me specifically for 5, 6, and 9 weeks. So I'm going to come in here and highlight 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and 9 weeks. So this is everything I'm going to compare myself against. So I know 5 times 4 is 20. I know 6 times 4 equals 24 that I'm looking at, and I know that 9 times 4 equals 36. Okay, and that's what I'm going to check my chart against. Okay, now I'm looking. Is 5 times 4 20? Yes. 6 times 4 is not 25, so my whole chart on letter A is wrong. Looking at chart B, 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 4 is 24, 9 times 4, oh, I remember I have 28. Oh, but look, they're trying to trick me. That's 7, so my chart's not correct. Over here is 5 times 4, 20, yes. 6 times 4 is 24, and 9 times 4 is 36, so this one must be right. I'm going to prove letter D. 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 4 is 24, 9 times 4 is not 30. So letter C is correct. I have justified my thinking through my chart, and I've written out my multiplication sentences that support that. So that's it.